today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom on Windows. If you want to get the Zoom app onto your Windows computer, this process is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Zoom on your computer or go to the Zoom website if that's where you're starting. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the upper right corner. You should see the profile icon there. This is where Zoom keeps account-related options and useful shortcuts, so it's the place you'll need to access first. Go ahead and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. When you do, a menu will appear with several options. Take a moment to look through the list so you don't accidentally choose the wrong one. What you're looking for is the option to download the Zoom app. Now click on Download the Zoom app. This will take you to the download page or begin guiding you to the installer for Windows, depending on how Zoom is currently set up. If your browser asks whether you want to save the file, choose the option that allows the download to continue. In most cases, the file will begin downloading automatically. Once the download starts, give it a few moments to finish. The exact time will depend on your internet speed, but usually it only takes a short time because the installer file is not very large. You can often check the progress in your browser's downloads area or at the bottom of the browser window. After the file has downloaded, make sure you locate it in your downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files by default. This is helpful in case you want to install it right away or come back to it later. If Windows shows a security prompt, read it carefully and confirm only if you're sure the file came from the official Zoom source. That's all there is to downloading Zoom on Windows. The key steps are simply opening the profile menu in the upper right corner and selecting the option to download the Zoom app. If you follow those steps carefully, you should have the installer ready in just a minute or two. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.